Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to set an alarm on Samsung Galaxy A54. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Galaxy phone and open the Samsung Clock applications. This is the main app where you can manage all your alarms, world clocks, timers, and stopwatches. You can easily find it by swiping up on your home screen and typing clock in the search bar. Step 2. Once you're in the clock app, tap on the alarm tab located at the bottom or top of the screen. Now look for the plus icon, usually found at the top right corner, and tap it to add a new alarm. Step 3. Next, set the time for your alarm by scrolling through the hour and minute options. You can also choose whether it repeats daily, on weekdays, weekends, or on specific days of the week. Step 4. Give your alarm a custom name like morning workout or meeting reminder. Then tap alarm sound to select your preferred tone. You can pick from default ringtones or tap Spotify to use your favorite song as an alarm tone. Perfect for waking up to music you love. Step 5. Finally, set the vibration pattern and adjust the snooze options according to your liking. Once everything looks good, tap Save at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Your alarm is now set and ready to wake you up right on time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.